Joe from SaaStr, Paul Davenport from Bose AI here. I got Caitlin from Google Cloud Startups. How's it going, Caitlin?
Great.
Awesome. So yeah, we're at their awesome booth. They have a ton of stuff going on here. We got some fun cookies, but I know you also have the selfie printer with cookies.
Yeah, so feel free to stop by. We'd love for you guys to come over and learn a little bit about our Google Cloud for Startups program, take a selfie, put it on a cookie, and chat with some of our team.
Yeah, no, it's awesome. Yeah, this is a great team over here. I actually met Brenda at the hotel last night, who's on the Google Cloud team for the events setup. It's awesome. I love what you guys are doing. Have you met any highlights? Like, what have been some of the best companies you met so far?
Honestly, we just started kicking it off, but we've met a couple of fintech companies that are starting out, and that's really exciting to see that development, and just excited to be more startup founders.
That's so cool. Yeah, that's why we're here. We're just kind of carpet bombing the floor, meeting as many founders and dreamers as we can, and just trying to kind of get the vibe, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, spirits are high, so that's really exciting.
It's awesome. Yeah, well, it's going to be a great week. I hope to see you again, and
Yes.
I'll be back to get my cookie and my selfie in a little bit.
Stop by. We'll see you soon.
Awesome. Thanks again, Caitlin.
Bye.
Bye.